Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. People often ask me what kind of ink I use in my Lamy fountain pen. My favorite black ink for fountain pens is platinum carbon black ink. The ink is pitch black and it dries pretty quickly, so as soon as you're ready to add watercolors, you can. There are just a few waterproof inks that are suitable for fountain pens, and I haven't tried them all and I am certainly not an expert. But I have great experiences with DeAtramentis Document ink as well, and these inks come in different colors too, that you can even mix yourself if you'd like to. Let's add a little bit of watercolors to the platinum carbon ink lines here. You see, no bleeding at all. This is a great way to explore your watercolors, by the way. Just draw some squares and fill them with your favorite colors. Try mixing more water or apply a bit drier paint and look at the effect. This way you'll get to know your materials while you're playing around. Well, this was just a very quick answer to a question that's been asked a lot lately. But if you need more ideas or inspiration, head on over to sketchbookschool.com and sign up for the free class.